If you're experiencing pain or discomfort in your neck or shoulders, then the ObusForme Hot and Cold Aromatherapy Neck and Shoulder Wrap is just what you need. This hot and cold neck and shoulder wrap has been specifically constructed to provide a heating or cooling effect to your target area. To heat your neck and shoulder wrap, microwave it for 1 minute. If you want a warmer wrap, use 30-second intervals. You can also use this as a cold wrap by putting it in the freezer in the carrying case. Check out halohealthcare.com for this and many more hot and cold therapy options. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.